Listen carefully, friends. Every day, thousands of people search on YouTube, Canada work permit, easy job, no IELTS, no experience, and many of them lose money. Some people sell fake dreams. Some agents take thousands of dollars, and at the end, visa rejected, money gone, dream broken. Today, I will not sell you any dream. I will tell you the real truth about Canada Work Permit in 2026, who can actually go, who will get rejected, what mistakes destroy your chances, and the exact step-by-step process. If you are serious about going to Canada, watch this video till the end, because one mistake can destroy your future. Today, our visa series country, Canada. What is Canada Work Permit? First, understand this clearly. A Canada Work Permit is not a visa. It is a document that allows you to work legally in Canada. Most foreign workers need this permit. Without it, you cannot work legally. There are mainly two types. 1. Employer-specific work permit. You can work only for one employer. Job, location, salary, fixed. 2. Open work permit. You can work for any employer. More freedom. But listen carefully. Getting open work permit is not easy. Most people get employer-based permit. Reality check. Canada is not easy now. Let me tell you the truth. Canada has changed many rules recently. Stricter checks, higher financial proof, strong employer verification because of scams and fake applications. New rules focus on genuine workers only. Also, around 1.4 million work permits will expire in 2026. This means competition is high, Canada is more selective. So if someone tells you 100% guarantee visa, that is 100% lie. If you still not subscribe my this channel, then please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates, because on my this channel, you will get authentic and real information about visa and immigration updates. Also, check description box where I drop my channel playlist link. Check that playlist. There you will get lots of authentic information about visa and immigration. Now continue our today video. Now discuss latest 2026 updates of Canada Work Visa. Here are real latest updates. More focus on skilled workers. Canada is targeting skilled workers for economy. New work permit rules updated 2026. More strict document checking. Employers must prove job is real. LMIA rules updated. Some workers can get PR pathway. Canada plans to give PR to many workers in coming years. Work permit extensions available. You can extend permit if eligible. Biggest myths. Don't believe these. Let's break the biggest lies. No IELTS required. Sometimes yes, but most jobs still need basic English. No experience needed. Wrong. Most jobs require skills or experience. Agent will guarantee visa. No agent can guarantee visa. Easy job equals easy visa. Visa depends on documentation, not job type. Who can actually get work permit? You need job offer from Canada. This is most important. LMIA in most cases. Employer must prove no Canadian available. Skills or experience. Skilled jobs equals higher chances. Low skilled is harder now. Good documents. Passport, education, work experience. Step-by-step process to apply Canada Work Visa. Now I will explain the real process. Step 1. Find genuine job. Search on official job portals, company websites. Avoid fake WhatsApp jobs. In my next video, I'll make video on companies and websites which can help you to get Canada Work Visa or sponsorship jobs. Step 2. Employer applies LMIA. Employer must get approval from Canada. Without LMIA, mostly no visa. Step 3. Receive job offer letter. Check carefully. Company name, salary, address. Step 4. Apply work permit online. You apply on official immigration website. Step 5. Biometrics, medical. Fingerprints, health test. Step 6. Wait for decision. Processing time, a few weeks to few months. Let's check total cost. Realistic. Be ready for work permit fee, biometrics fee, medical test, travel cost. No official process asks for huge agent fees. If someone asks big money, be careful. Common scams. Watch carefully. This can save you money. Fake job offer, looks real but fake company. Fake LMIA, 100% fake, illegal. Advance payment scam, pay first, visa later. Instagram and WhatsApp agents, biggest scam source for Canada work visa. Smart tips to increase chances to get Canada work visa. Improve English. Even basic English helps, but try to get good score in English. Exam, either it's IELTS or any other Canadian-approved English test. Choose the right job. Skilled jobs better. Job which matches with your skills, experience, and education. Apply multiple jobs. Don't depend on one. Multiple jobs apply and keep patience because it's time-taking process. Check employer. Search company online because it's important to check employer authenticity and legitimacy. Best path for beginners. If you are beginner, best options are study, then work, then PR. Most successful path. Skilled worker programs, trade jobs, high demand. Can you take family? Yes, sometimes. Spouse can get work permit, children can study, but depends on your job type. Why many people get rejected. Main reasons: fake documents, weak job offer, poor financial proof, wrong application. Future of Canada work permits. Canada still needs workers, but now more strict, more selective, more skill-based. Final advice. Let me say one thing clearly. Canada is possible, but not easy, not fast, not guaranteed. If you work smart, follow real process, avoid scams, avoid agents, do your tasks own self, then yes, you can go. But if you follow shortcuts, you will lose money. Remember, before apply, always check official Canadian official website to get information about work visa because rules, regulations, and cost can change at any time. If you want more real videos like this, subscribe now, comment your question, share this video with someone who is planning to go abroad, because one right information can change your life. See you in next Canada Visa video. Until, be happy, apply smartly, and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.